Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Genesis Supreme toy hauler. This is a model 21SB. It is a travel trailer toy hauler with front bedroom slide out. This does have a queen bed. It's sideways, but you can walk around from both sides. Big difference. Much more desirable. You see we have the LED lights built right into our fiberglass nose cap. Power hitch jack. Down the sides, diamond shield down both sides. And even like your marker lights, they're screwed in rather than those snap caps that always seem to fill up with water. See, we have little opera windows, power awning, outside scare lights, outside speakers. There's even this compartment for gear. If you have riding gear, fishing poles, if you're a hunter, bows, that kind of thing. Lights for the cap right there. Down the side, the solid steps, the alloy wheels, fuel station, tinted glass, solar resistant graphics, so they're not going to get all peely and brittly down the road. Even a cap on the back. Now the nice thing about that, the most vulnerable spots on an RV are the back corner and the front corner, and this one has a cap on both. Rear camera, locks incorporated right into the handles, outside shower, another storage compartment right here, lockable. Notice inch thick doors. It's got the 2-inch thick walls. They're just built really nicely. We're quite impressed. We also carry outdoor RV in the same kind of quality you're seeing here with the Genesis. It's the craftsmanship's, well, a few examples, like even inside, by the way, here's the with the Arctic package. Inside, what makes a difference is, say in your kitchens even, they've taken the time to seal all these corners and cracks. Last thing, if you have a spill, you want is fluid running down into your cabinetry, and they take the extra time to ensure that doesn't happen. But anyway, here's our floor plan. You can see, nice thing about this, we got a power queen, a queen below it with both of the benches laid out as a bed configuration, and a queen up front, so you can sleep the whole gang in here. This is the base camp. And the bed, as I mentioned, it is a queen, approachable from both sides. Nice. And there's wardrobe storage built right in here. There's also storage racks with plug-ins, privacy curtain. Got the brushed aluminum on the refrigerator, stainless on the stove, stainless on the microwave, storage overhead, more storage. They really take in mind that when you ride ATVs or you're a sportsman and you like the outdoors, you need that storage, overhead storage. As we mentioned, here's our power bed with the ladder, non-skid surface. You can see that on our ramp door. Also, it has the vinyl wall, so you can close that off with the door down. These do fold up flush against the walls when you bring the toy in, and then you just simply pop out the table. Tie downs built right into the floor. This does also have the patio kit. Yes, it does. Can you see? That's the rails that makes a perimeter around the outside when that patio is down. So it gives you virtually, doubles your living space almost, say up to the mid kitchen anyway. You have that area outside. Notice the lighting. It's called the soffit up there. There's our air conditioning unit. Speakers built right in. Recessed LEDs throughout. We have countertops. There's some kind of a simulated, I don't know, like a granite type material. Storage underneath. Silverware drawers. And these are all plywood with ball bearing metal roller guides. TV is a Furrion. Looks like about a, I don't know, 37-inch probably. There's our receiver. It's Furrion 2 above. There's storage below. In the bathroom, all in one. We've got the corner sink, vanity mirror, medicine cabinet, foot flush toilet, and the Neo style shower with the they have a, it's actually a magnetic fastener that kind of holds them together. This is for when you're traveling. Skylight overhead, and a towel rack built in. There's that opera light we saw from outside of this 2020 Genesis Supreme 21SB, and you can see it right here at Gibbs RV. www.gibbsrv.com in Coos Bay.